Roger Stoner and Rajinja Campbell both have switched allegiance to Turkey from Jamaica. But before I continue, show that you like, comment, share, follow. Who are these two individuals, you may be asking? These are two Olympians, gold medalists that represented Jamaica. However, now they're choosing to represent Turkey. Turkey gave them a wonderful sign-on bonus. I think it's 500,000 USD, and they're willing to compensate them going forward for all medals they get in the future, and they're also giving them citizenship. I don't know about you, but I believe that these young men are doing what is best for them, because Jamaica seems to not respect you unless you are doing sprinting or football. And if you're not winning, they don't respect you. So what made it worse? These young men won, they made history, and still they were not celebrated. Correct me if I'm wrong, but recently, I don't remember which Caribbean country, but that Caribbean country got their first gold medal, and that woman was celebrated to the ends of the earth and back. Yet Jamaica does not do the same for their athletes, unless again you are a sprinter. So for me, these young men are doing what is best for them and their family. No hate from me. I say do what you gotta do, my brother.